This is the Mooreville by Pulte Homes, and we're going to get into it right now. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Duble. Today we are going into the Mooreville Plan by Pulte Homes. I love this plan because of how functional and flexible it is. We have the difference between 3 and 5 bedrooms. So many additional options, literally 2 pages of options that you can modify this plan to make this house fit your lifestyle and your needs. Now, this is the dining room, and this dining room can be converted into the 4th bedroom, and you can actually put a 5th bedroom on the 2nd level next to the media room, which we'll go into. Now, we're getting straight into this. Before we dive too deep into this house, I want to say, guys, this channel exists to benefit and serve you and you alone. It is a critical and probably most important and most expensive decision in your life, making the transition anywhere, locally or from out of town to Texas, to Austin. It's expensive, it's involved, it's complicated, it's emotional, and you need an advocate who can serve you, who's got their finger on the pulse of the market, who knows what's going on, who's in touch with lending. We have over 200 5-star reviews. We've been helping people just like you make the move into Austin or move locally. And we've served literally hundreds and hundreds of people. We've been a top performing team for a very long time. We'd love to earn the opportunity to serve you. Hit me up with questions. You can do that by looking at the description below and see how you can reach out to us 24 hours a day. And I will be so excited to give you a 5-star experience. Hit me up when you can. Would love to learn. Actually, call me right now. Why? Why wait? Let's go. Book a time with me on my Calendly link. Guys, this is the coolest plan. I love this office space, and as you can tell, it's allergies and I'm a little under the weather. This is a different little office nook that they built in with that open window space into that living space. I love the kitchen, love the layout, and there's an adequate and very ample amount of space given to each one of these little compartments of the home, little spaces in the home. Now over here you have this little office. You could come back. There's the owner's suite back here with that bay finish. You have all these windows. There's a lovely bathroom in here, all the space that you need. I love this little sitting area. The sitting area is really, really cool. And literally there are 2 pages of options in this house. This house is 2653+ square feet. And if you add that additional bedroom in upstairs, that 5th bedroom, it does increase probably by another 250, maybe 300 square feet. So maybe just shy of 3,000 square feet. It does have the 2-car garage, 3 bathrooms, again, 3 to 5 bedrooms. And guys, the best part is this house starts at just under $600,000. $594 or $594,990 is the advertised price. But again, lot premium, location, options, different structural finishes. And we want to coach you through that. What is too much? What is too little? My wife and I have been buying and selling homes personally and for our clients for a while, as I've mentioned. We've become masters at knowing how to increase perceived value. Because just because you buy a home and you put a few things in it doesn't mean it increases the value. I did a video on this, which I'll put right here. You can see the link. I did this a long time ago. It was my early YouTube video. But the point that I made is very clear. Value is increased by increasing perceived understanding, the desirability for the house. Value and desirability are 2 separate things. And when you get into what desirability is, desirability really drives. The reason why you look at this house, you're like, oh my gosh, this is so nice, because the builder made it desirable for you. Look at how they finished it. They staged it. They prepped it. They did the most popular options on this plan. So we can coach you through that to help you make the most money because, guys, you buy your profits. Real estate is still the #1 wealth building tool in the world for average folks just like you and me to build a portfolio and be able to have a lifestyle so that one day if you downsize, access your liquidity, access your equity, and live the life that you want to live by building a real estate portfolio, or maybe just owning your home, paying your home off and having that available for you one day. You don't have to make that payment. So it increases the value through desirability. We can coach you through all that. Love that layout, the extended island, lots of seating in that bar space, the polygonal kind of island setup. Now again, the 4th bedroom option is that dining room. You can convert that. This is the office/study. which is a nice, a beautiful layout. And then, of course, the 5th bedroom option can be upstairs next to the media room, which is also an option. So you can increase your square footage by adding the media room and the 5th bedroom upstairs. Those are the only 2 ways, to my knowledge, that you can increase the square footage, because the 4th is already there. It's the dining space. So lovely laundry room. It does have those lower cabinets on the right and the uppers on the left over the appliances. And there's plenty of clearance. So if you wanted to get some front loading with some pedestals, you'd have plenty of room to do that too. You got the drop zone here just outside your garage with the cubbies on the bottom. You've got your wall, of course, that's got, you know, the whole drop zone mudroom area is complete. Looks really cute. Get your hooks in there to put your hats and backpacks. We have hooks upon our entry, and the hooks allow us to hang the girls' backpacks and shoes and all that. It really makes it a lot more easy because they're coming right through that garage. Now you'll see straight ahead is the media room. We're going to pan left. You'll see the upstairs kind of bonus flex family space up here with that kind of a vaulted ceiling. And in that room, this is going to be a closet space here. And guys, I have to be honest, if that's a bedroom behind that door, I didn't go in. I thought it was a closet. But in the plan, that is an additional space. And I just realized outside when we're looking around, it looks like it was built out there. So the bedroom might be in there. This might actually be the 4th bedroom upstairs here. It could be, on paper, it's the 5th bedroom, but this house has a dining room, so it would be a 4-bedroom home. And it very, very well may be in there. So, but I don't think so. I think it's a closet because of how wide this wall is in the theater. So, I may have opened it. Anyway, theater's very large. Yeah, definitely not, because there's the crawl space in that attic right there. So there's no way. But yeah, and now I'm checking to triple sure that is in fact the case. So on the 2nd floor, yep, yeah, the media room. Yes, I did open. Yep, that's the bedroom. Yep, we have the bedroom. Okay, sorry guys, just checking to make sure that I do so many of these walkthroughs, and I just want to make sure that I am giving you the most accurate information possible. So the bedrooms all up here are super accessible, very lovely, and again, spaced, very, very sizable. Pulte covered all the bases. They did an absolutely amazing job on this tour, on this property. Did a great job. Now this is Bluffview. Bluffview is an amazing area. It's actually right on Ronald Reagan. If you go a little further south, you have Cedar Park, Leander, all the things that you could want there with shopping, dining, entertainment, all the things. You go just a little bit north, you're on Highway 29, and Highway 29 is where the new H-E-B is, the massive grocery store. Guys, if I ever left Texas, one of the things that I would miss almost more than anything is H-E-B. The grocery store chain is just better than anything in the world, period. I just love H-E-B. They've got so many amazing things. You have to kind of be here to know what I'm talking about. But it's a great setup. And then, of course, 29 takes you out to Georgetown, which is a kind of, we say Americans, we say historic if it's over 15 years old. But it's a historic Georgetown, built, I think, established in the 1800s. Lovely little square. It's one of the cutest town squares, voted as such by people who vote on town squares to be one of the cutest in Texas, and it really is lovely. Georgetown's is beautiful, and it's exploding. So there's all the amenities and so forth there as well. And of course, we're not far from highways and accessibility for you to go enjoy all the things. So it's a beautiful part of the world, guys, and just a great location. And the views in Bluffview are great. Now, they are closing the community out soon, but if you like the Mooreville Plan, we can get you connected with the sales reps over at Pulte to ensure we have a good spot for you in the community that's going to be fit to get you this plan built. I love the plan. It's a really, really functional one. And again, you're surrounded by homes that are really costly. I just bumped the door. Sometimes it happens. I don't see where I'm going. But you can really find a beautiful fit for your floor plan. Guys, in a moment, YouTube is going to make some recommendations for you to click around and see other videos. We have so many videos that come, or folks that come back through the recommended videos at the end, because YouTube knows you better than you do. I guarantee it. They're going to give you videos that they think that you're going to like, and I bet you will. So click on one of our other videos on our channel. Please let us know how we can serve you guys. Seriously, in the description below, we have links. I have a Calendly link. You can hit me up 24 hours a day, book an appointment with me. You can text me, call me, shoot me an email, and I would love to get you on the books to have a discussion with you about how to serve you and get you moved to Austin, or figure out how to move you locally if you're here current an Austinite like I am. And I would be happy to be a part of that process. I would be honored to serve you guys. Thank you so much. That's why we are here. And with that, guys, I appreciate your time. We will look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.